And just like that, we come to the end of this beautiful beautiful journey through Munich. So watching this video again makes me feel how incredible travel is. It's not just about the places we visit, but the memories that we carry with us, long after. So yeah, so I'd love to hear from you. What's that one travel memory you wish you could relive? Drop it in the comments. And if you like this video, if you like this little trip down the memory lane, then don't forget to stick around for more travel stories. So until next time, stay safe and stay happy. Bye.